Hello everyone, we are on step 23 of learning HTML forms by building a registration form on freeCodeCamp.org. Step 23. With type equals password, you can use the pattern attribute to define a regular expression that the password must match to be valid. So we're going to add a pattern attribute to the password input element, which is right here, so it's going to be pattern equals, and I am going to copy and paste this, and we're going to put it right here. And we need to remove the min length. Remember, this is to replace that. So we'll take this out. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.